Hello everyone. My project is based on Smart Inbox Assistant. Here, we all know that average professional spends nearly 2 hours a day on emails. Not because email is hard, because deciding what matters, writing the replies, and remembering to follow up take constant mental energy. So here comes into the picture Smart Box Agent takes the load off your plate entirely. So what does it do? Here, this is the architecture, how it works. Here the inbox request. This is the first and the main thing. This is the inbox request. Here, if someone says process my inbox, then it starts the whole pipeline. Here it starts, and then the next stage is run track. No priority, done, no action. That means reads all of your emails and labels each one as urgent, work, newsletter, etc. There are three following levels: high, medium, and low priority. If nothing is high priority, it stops immediately and says inbox clear. No need to more work. That's how the run track work. And then run summary. If high priority emails exist, then what it should do? For high priority emails, only this thing. It reads the full thread and writes the short summary. If none of them need a reply, it stops here and just show the summarizes. And then it comes to run draft. And here it writes for emails that do need replies, it writes professional draft and responses for schedule follow-up and reminders and security checkpoint. The next thing, injection detected. Here, this is the guard. Before anything reaches you, it scans everything for hacking items hidden inside emails. If it finds anything suspicious, everything stops, drafts are deleted. If nothing is found, it moves to the next step. Here, if everything is done without human approval, it does not do anything until or unless you make sure pass a message saying approve, then only the final output is sent. If you say reject, then only the whole thing will be stopped. Now let's see the working. This is how it works. I said process my inbox and it says read inbox, read inbox, and it says I have processed your inbox. Here are the results. And it says smart inbox and this is the report and see in your section by side. And this is the important, this is urgent. And when it comes to medium, and this is low, and it's summarizing the high priority ones. Needs to section by Friday, your boss needs your section, a contract renewal, and these are all the high priority which needs a reply immediately. And then see. And when I say approve, see, type approve to confirm the sending the drafts or reject them to discard them. When I say approve, all drafts approved and queued for sending inbox handle. This is how it works. And this is the architecture diagram I have already shown you. Yeah, this is the architecture diagram. And here the MCP server. Yeah, yeah. First, i- suppose this is my email ID and this is from address and subject. See, these are all the mails. And if it summarizes, this is the task it should do. ID from subject, received category, priority, and handled. This is how it works and fast. Yeah, yeah. And the use, and we all know the use of emails. And this is the most important thing we do over. This is the most part. It's been the most part of our life. And here, the impact would be smart inbox agent use back the 2 hours of a day professional lose to email. The human stays in control to what gets sent, the agent handles everything else. Security first design means it's safe to use when confidential correspondence, and then MCP architecture makes it production ready, not just a demo. And talking about security and MCP, the security checkpoints runs on every single request, no exceptions. It scrubs speed from all agents' outputs, detects 8 categories of injection, attack, and logs, structure, JSON, audit record. And as I have showed you the live demo, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.